In today's video, I will share the best advice I wish I knew when I started teaching math in under 5 minutes. Get your pen and notepad ready. Here are what I call the 5 golden math rules. The first one is, bring math to life. The second is, know your standards. The third is, become a facilitator. The fourth is, use systems and routines. The fifth, and my personal favorite, is simplify and have fun. So what does it mean to bring math to life? Many joke that math is not logical, like this internet meme. But really, who is buying 64 watermelons? Make sure that any math problem you post has application in real life. Count real items in the classroom. Add and subtract realistic quantities and units. Maybe the principal bought 64 books for their classroom libraries, or they baked 64 cookies for an upcoming bake sale. Show the learners why they need to know fractions, shapes, or negative numbers in real-world context. The second rule is knowing the math standards for the grades you're teaching. As new teachers, or even as seasoned teachers, we sometimes skip this very important step. A lot of trust is put into pre-made curriculum resources, rather than the standards documents. This trust reminds me of the famous quote by Lewis Carroll, "If you don't know where you're going, any road will get you there." The standards are your destination and the curriculum resources are the road to get you there. Collaborate with colleagues and Google your state's math standards. There are lots of free resources online to help you learn the expectations for your grade. Rule number 3 is, become a facilitator. Many teachers believe that their job is to stand in front of the class and instruct. However, it has been proven that students learn much more from interacting with each other. Having meaningful discussions in pairs, small groups, and as a whole class helps deepen their learning and increases their engagement. Look for discussion protocols that are simple and easy to implement, like 4 corners. There are also math-specific protocols, such as number talks and 5 practices that will enhance your instruction and the learning. Rule number 4 is, use systems and routines. The author of Atomic Habits highlights the significance of repetitive actions. Creating systems in the classroom that repeat, such as a flow of the math block, will help shift your focus on the content, rather than starting over each day. Setting up a system for updating classroom displays and student work will help set the expectation and build a math community. Quick and fun routines, such as counting in a circle or today's number, if done daily, will help build numeracy and number sense. And finally, rule number 5 is, simplify and have fun. If a concept seems challenging for you to teach, know that it will be challenging to the students to learn. Avoid tricks and try the concept with smaller numbers. Dividing fractions by a whole number is an example of a concept that teachers struggle with explaining. Using small fractions and numbers will help me explain the concept without the keep change flip trick. To show 1/2 divided by 2, I can use the story that half of a pizza pie is to be shared amongst 2 friends. I need to cut that half into 2 equal pieces, which will have each friend get 1/4 of the pie. And always, look for ways to engage the students and make learning math fun. Look for math games, centers, and projects that involve other modalities of learning. Use music, art, dance, cooking, exercise, and creative writing to help students apply and enjoy patterns and other math concepts. I hope you found my 5 rules helpful. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And check out my other content.